Hello everyone, welcome back to my video lecture. If you are new to this lecture, please do subscribe to my channel. And in our previous video, we have learnt about Bloom's taxonomy. Yes, right. We have started with the Bloom's taxonomy, and also in that video session, I have covered about the cognitive domain. Because before that, let's have a quick recall so that you can connect the things to this video. Okay, let's in the previous video we have discussed about Bloom's taxonomy. This Bloom taxonomy is developed by Benjamin Bloom, and here taxonomy means classification, and he gave the 3 hierarchical models. Hierarchical models means these domains have been studied from lowest to the highest order. Okay, don't forget this is important thing, means the learning should be achieved from lowest to the highest order. This is how the learning is going to occur in a learner. Okay, and Bloom's taxonomy gave the 3 levels of domains. Those are cognitive domain, then affective domain, third one psychomotor domain. And we discussed about the cognitive domain, means that domain is related to knowledge based domain. It's a knowledge based domain, means it's related to the head, means it's related to the brain. That means that it is related to the mental ability development of a learner. Okay. Now in this video session, we will discuss about affective domain. Okay, which is related to feelings, emotions, and that means it is related to heart. Okay, it's related to heart. Okay, let's start with the first one. Affective domain, as I told, it is emotional based domain. Okay, and affective domain relate to emotions, attitude of a learner, and its motivation and its beliefs, its values of a person or a learner. And in other words, we can say like it's the development of appreciation or its development of cherishing the new things, and it is about developing the adjustment. Okay, that's about the affective domain. And this affective domain has 5 levels of learning. That is, these are here. Those are receiving, second one responding, third one valuing, fourth one organizing, fifth one characterizing. And this is also from lowest to the highest order. The lowest one is from the receiving, means at this level the learner, he will act as a passive. Okay, but at this level, see, this level will be achieved when the learner is willing to learn something, he is willing to cherish something. Okay, we have a mindset to learn the thing. Okay, so at this level the learner will ready to gain the knowledge which has been taught by his teacher or educator. And here teacher is going to impart the knowledge for the development, emotional development of the learner. And it's about, here the student will be memorizing the thing that has been taught to him, and he is able to recognize as well, is able to do the recognition as well. Okay, then coming to the responding, at this level the student will be more active, means now when in the first level he is gaining the knowledge, but at this level he have the knowledge plus he is able to respond. Means how he is going to respond? By active involvement or by active participation in the learning process. Is able to participate in the learning process. Okay, Next, after that, in the third level, he start to value the learning, means the knowledge. For example, if you taught him about the kindness, if you taught him about the valuing, if you taught the learner to more polite to the elders, to give a respect to the elders, and if you make them to understand that value knowledge is very important in the life, at this level he started to value those information, value those ideas. He will try to accommodate all those knowledge learned. Okay, here see, for example, if the learner is observed something is in the classroom. For example, in the classroom, some students have stolen pencil or rubber or something. So he saw that. Then what he will do? So he will start to think, oh, so he is my friend also. He stolen the thing. Then he have to inform to teacher also. At the same time, he is his friend also. If you inform, he will lose the friendship. But if you don't inform, it means like he is about to lying to himself. So like this, he will start to learn the things. He will start to discriminate which is right, which is wrong. So he will think to value the things which is right and which is wrong. Then coming to the organizing, here organizing means when the information is important to him, he will start to differentiate the values, information and ideas that students which has learned. That is about the organization. Means here he is able to organize the information. Next, coming to the characterization. Here characterization means he is able to develop and build an abstract knowledge. What is that means? So in the lowest levels he had received the knowledge, he responded to that, then he will start to value the knowledge that has been taught to him. Then he will start to organize, means he will make the differentiation, he will make the information ideas to in a well organized manner, like when to use, when not to use. Okay, so after gaining all these things, he will characterize, means he will ready to involve those characters in his own life, in his personal life, means it will become his own character. It is about that characterizing, means he will start to remove out the negative thing, he will start to add the positive things. Okay, that's about the characterizing. Okay, let us move to the next point. And so it has to show like this in a hierarchical model. This is receiving, responding, valuing, organizing and characterizing. And one point I have forgot to mention, the scientist, the Robert Mager, is the one he developed the verbs, action verbs for these domains, not only for the affective domain, for also 3 domains, that is cognitive domain, affective domain and psychomotor domain. For all these domains, he is the one who gave the action verbs. Okay, who is that? That is Robert Mager. Let us know the action verbs for these domains. For receiving, here the instructional objectives or the teacher can construct like this. For the receiving domain, like knowledge, they can ask like acknowledge, they can ask, attentive, follow, give, listen. Okay, like this they can ask. And for the responding level, they can ask like answer, assist, aid, confirm, discuss, greet, help, label. So these are all the instructional objectives for a teacher. And for or you can also say that it as a assemble behavior. Okay, and coming to the valuing, there you can say that appreciate, treasure, cherish, demonstrate, invite, justify, believe, initiate, join, share. These are all for the valuing. And for the organizing we can the instructional objectives are here: compare, relate, synthesize, clarify, examine. And coming to the characterizing level, here the instructional objectives are act, discriminate, display, influence, modify, and perform. Okay, these are about the instructional objectives or action verbs for the affective domain. And in the next video I am going to discuss about psychomotor domain. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.